Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The market's in a transition stage once again. As we can see, today's positive trading brought the Dow up just above the T-line. So we need to see bullish confirmation, which we haven't had the last two times it's closed above the T-line. So tomorrow will be important to see where they take the market. First of all, it needs to trade positive. Secondly, it needs to break this downtrend to show there's been a change of investor sentiment. Same scenario over here on the NASDAQ, in a downtrend, and it hasn't yet closed above the T-line. So the very simple analysis remains that if you're below the T-line, you're still in a downtrend until you see that candlestick buy signal and close above the T-line. So in this transition type of market stage, the downtrending stocks continue to trade lower. We are remaining short on Carvana because you can see the strong downtrend, the failure at the T-line, and the bearish J-hook pattern in progress. So that bearish J-hook pattern provides a high probability directional move, knowing that if for example, knowing if the market opens lower tomorrow and this opens lower tomorrow, the probabilities are that Upstart is still in a downtrend. And the retail stocks has shown that evidence. There's 5 below. Notice how it failed at the T-line with your best friend, your bearish best friend, followed by a bearish doji sandwich. This one could still be shorted on weakness tomorrow, going into another bearish doji sandwich. And the retail stocks, Macy's, Dillard's, Kohl's, Dollar Tree are all still in a downtrend. On the other hand, want to find things that are just starting their downtrend. You can see how Big C had a hanging man followed by a bearish doji sandwich. Now another hanging man, even more relevant, in the fact that it did it right smack dab at the 50, did an evening star type signal. If this opens lower, what's it basically telling you? This downtrend is still in progress because it failed at the 50. The food stocks came back. THS did a best friend gap up. You can see wave 1, wave 2 of a J-hook pattern going into wave 3. This one can be bought on positive trading. And Neon did a kicker signal. This is what we're looking for, is the strongest bullish signals. The kicker signal opening here, closing here, gapping up above the previous day's open and going in the opposite direction. This allows us to put our RARE process in effect. RARE being reverse analysis, reverse engineering. Sorry, research analysis, reverse engineering, which means you investigate why this price move was like this, to see if there's going to be more follow through, which there usually is after a kicker signal. But knowing that we're in a transition stage, there are signals that are working well. Look at EQT breaking out through this resistance level with a doji sandwich breakout. High probabilities you're in wave 3. Or ZIM, a doji sandwich bobble breakout, telling you there's probably more upside. So right now, with the markets right on the fringe, it'll be very important to see how the market index is open tomorrow. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.